Yo, what is good, YouTube? We are back with another video. If you are not in the free Discord, go join it. It is the first link down below. But we're going to go over the trade that I took today. I didn't decide to make this video until right now at 2:25 because I wanted to wait for FOMC in case I take another trade. I am up on the day, but yeah, we're going to get into what I was seeing for the day and the trade that I took. So FOMC came out 25 minutes ago. Powell's going to start speaking in about 5 minutes, and then we'll see if we can catch another trade, and maybe I'll try to record it live. So right here, before open, I didn't wake up until 9 because I really wasn't going to be focused on the AM session. I wanted to see what the afternoon was going to bring, but I ended up taking a trade. So I got on the charts at about 9:30, and I really didn't know what we were going to do for the day because we were up like 430 points by the time I even got on the charts. And I really didn't know if we were going to go higher, if we were going to go lower, whatever we were going to do. So I was going to wait for open no matter what. And at open, we come down and we fill out this imbalance. And then if we go to the 1 minute chart, you can see that right here, this order block delivers us up to buy side after we tap into that fair value gap. And then we come back down, come back in it, and we actually formed an SMT right there with the ES. If we go over here, pretty sure, yeah, right here we formed that SMT with the ES. Right here's the same low, and then we continued higher throughout the rest of the day. So I wasn't really interested in looking for any trades up through here. I wanted to try to catch a piece of the internal action because on a day like FOMC, I really just didn't want to be focused too much on trying to trade large expansions. Wait until FOMC drops like we have now, and then see if you can catch a larger move. But where did that trade that I took happen at? Oh wait, I guess I can just turn on executions. Right there. So right here on NASDAQ, I took a short from up here, and I took it off at this sell side level for 30 points. And the reason I took this short is because we take out this high, so we take out buy side, and we displace through this fair value gap, creating another one. So we actually have a BPR here, and I was waiting to see what would happen inside of this, and then I was going to take a trade. So after we take this high, tap into that BPR, I head down to the 15-second chart. And where is it? I short as soon as we tap into this fair value gap. So shorted as soon as we tapped into here. I got filled at the midpoint actually, so a little better fill, and then I had my stop loss at this high, so a tick above it, so 5.5 points, and then I took it off down here at this low. Right here, 65.50, yeah, basically right at that low at 65.50. And that was it. So very basic trade. As you see, like any trade that I'm taking on the lower time frame resembles trades that I'm taking on the 5 minute, resembles what I'm taking on the 1 minute, 15 minute. It doesn't matter. All my trades look the exact same no matter what time frame we're trading. So right here, all it was a tap into that 1 minute imbalance, taking this high, creating this sell side down here. And we actually had equal lows right through here, all these equal lows, but I just wanted to take a quick scalp and get out. So once we tapped that and it showed an immediate reaction, right, we don't care about these fair value gaps throughout here. We don't care about these fair value gaps because we're anticipating they just get ran through, right? We're just anticipating that all these imbalances, since we flipped for the short term from bullish to bearish inside of this internal range, right, from this low to this high, taking out this internal high, creating an imbalance after tapping into an imbalance, we're in bearish structure on this time frame, right? On the overall time frame, yeah, we are bullish, but on this time frame, it's just the exact same as if I was trading a 5 minute. If this setup showed up, like if this was a 1 hour fair value gap sweeping a 5 minute high right here, and we create this imbalance and I'm already bearish, then this is a 5 minute short, right? You don't need your market structure shift because structure is already bearish, right? And I guess right here would be, if you wanted to, right here would be your short term low that gets displaced through, and then right here you can see that we hold this fair value gap throughout all of this price action. So right here could have been your second opportunity, but I was already short from up here. So yeah, that is the trade that I took today for, I think it was 5:30 or something. But right now, what would I expect? Well, right now it looks like we're going up to those highs. So this high up here, and it looks like we are about to set up a 15-minute breaker right here on this candle. So after we set up that 15-minute breaker, this buy side looks to be the clear draw, but I wouldn't take it on this breaker because your risk to reward is extremely skewed. If you wanted to risk off down here, I mean, it's still not even a plus R. So why is it a breaker though? We have a swing high after before putting in a new swing low, and then we break that high, so this now becomes your breaker. But on the 1 minute, I mean, we're just slowly grinding up. So if I do end up catching something, since Powell just now started speaking and volatility should start coming in, I will be back, but I'm not going to force anything. And yeah, if we start taking highs and stuff, I'll do like a live reading price action. So I'll start the live back up, or this recording back up, and show you guys what I'm seeing. So until things get interesting, I'm gonna go and listen to some music. So I'll see you guys in whenever I see you again. Alright, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be catching anything. So we are just gonna keep going up. It looks like we are up 610 points on the NASDAQ and 110 on ES. So yeah, I'm just not gonna try to short this, not gonna try to hop in along. I'm just gonna take the little trade that I took that I showed you guys, wherever that may be. Right there, as you see, I didn't trade FOMC, so right here, this was the trade. But yeah, I'm not gonna try to catch anything. We just hit that new day, is that a new week? New day opening gap that was on the ES, and this looks to be like tomorrow we could get a continuation of today, but it is NFP on Friday. So just once again, probably just going to be looking for some scalps, but there is some news tomorrow, so I'll be interested in watching it. But I'm just going to go swim a little more. I just got out to come watch FOMC and see if I could catch something to add on to the little win that I had today. But if we are going to reverse and start to take out some of these lows, it would happen right here. This is where I'd expect it to start to maybe get a retracement and maybe start taking out some of these lows. But I'm not going to try to catch a reversal of a day that we're just going straight up 620 points. It's like trying to short this day or trying to long Wednesday of last week. It's the exact same scenario. Trying to long this is the exact same as trying to short this move. So I'm just not going to try to catch anything for the remainder of the day. I'm just going to go swim a little more and then go work out. So yeah, you guys saw the little trade that I took on the 15-second chart. But where is it, dude? Right here. But other than that, I'm not going to be trying to catch anything, right? So yeah, other than that, gold is also ripping. Bitcoin is just stuck in this range. Oil is also ripping. So yeah, send everything higher, I guess. Other than that, I'm going to get out of here. Very anticlimactic FOMC, to be honest with you. Right here is the 2 o'clock candle. Honestly, there was a pretty nice long if I was here at 2 o'clock, but we tap into that fair value gap, and then you can use this as your order block, right? You don't want to long up here. Why? It is a premium, and we actually don't even tap into a discount. But if anything was going to be longed throughout this price action, it'd be this order block. But I wasn't at the charts and I wasn't even watching, so I'm just going to get out of here and go about my day. So hope you guys had a good trading day. Join the free Discord if you are not in it, and I will see you guys in another video. I also did take a trade yesterday, just didn't have time to make a recap video. So if you want to see the trade that I took yesterday, go to the Discord, join the Discord, and you can see my trade there. Other than that, I'm going to get out of here. Peace.